Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to explore few examples of Ajax which will help you to understand Ajax a little bit better. The first example which I am going to give you, you are really familiar with that stuff. That is the Google search result, or you can say search suggestions. You all are familiar with this interface, isn't it? Let's write here, well, this is the search box. Let's search here something, say BEST. So as soon as you start typing here something, you are getting some suggestions, but the page didn't refresh. If you noticed it, let's notice it again. Let's delete everything. Now let's write here, say ARTI. See, the page is not getting refreshed, but we are getting some search suggestions, and these responses are coming from the Google server itself. So this is the first example. Now what is going on in the background, that we will take a look in our next lecture. But for now, just understand that this is one of the example, one of the popular example, this search suggestions. Next, take a look at a social site. Let's say Facebook. Well, this is my Facebook account. Let me update my status. Let's write here, say hello everyone. ... Well, as you can see that it's only me. Its privacy is only me. So only I can see that. Okay, now let's click on post. Just notice that the page will not get refreshed. Notice this thing. Click on this post. See, the page has not got refreshed, but my status got updated. Now, say for example you don't like this status. Let's edit this post. See, the page has not got refreshed, right? Let's say blah blah blah. Now let's save it again. See, again it got updated, but it didn't get refreshed. Now let's go ahead and let's delete this post. So this is another example of Ajax. You are updating to the server, you are sending data to the server, and you are seeing that post, and you are getting that result instantly in your browser, and the page is not getting refreshed. So it's like that before the arrival of Ajax, it was kind of a dream that you are communicating with the server, but the page is not getting refreshed, and also you are submitting data to the server, retrieving data from the server, but the page is not getting refreshed. So it's kind of a dream, you know, which now a dream that comes true. And thanks to Ajax for that. Now let's come to another example. This is another familiar stuff. This is the google.com. So let's create a Google account. I will skip the first name, last name, and let's come here to the user. Let's choose a username. Let's write here, say I love cat. Now see, that username is taken. Try another. From where it is coming? Is this the thing which is saved in your browser? No, right? All the usernames that are being created in Google site or in Google server are stored inside that Google server only. So the response which you are seeing here is coming from the server itself. And see what is happening. Now see, no error, right? Let's write here I love cat. Now let's provide a tab to go to the next input field, which is create a password. So let's go to the next tab. Now see what is happening. That username is taken, try another. So we are getting the response, but the page is not getting refreshed. This is the thing, friend. Yes, This is Ajax. Now I am repeating stuffs, I know, but just to make your concept clear. So we have seen 3 examples. One is Google search suggestion, 2 social media posts, 3 either a username exists or not inside a server. In all of our cases, things which we have seen in common are browser is communicating with the server, we are getting the response from the server instantly, and the page is not getting refreshed. So this is the main concept. Yes, friend. Well, I hope that you have understood the concept, that what is Ajax and where we can use Ajax. Now in our next example, we will see how Ajax work. Yes, friend. That is another important concept which you should understand. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.